Hi, I'm here to give a quick and easy tutorial on lymphatic drainage dry brushing for your neck and face. So you want to start at the clavicle because that's where the lymph from the face is draining down, right about here. So we're going to just do short strokes heading towards this medial clavicle area, and you want to go over the area about 7 times. For the sake and time of the video, I'm only going to do less than that. So once we got this area cleared, then we're going to be starting at the ear. We're going to be coming down. Again, we're going to do short strokes. For time, I'm just going to do, say, 3 or 4, but 7 or more is always going to be beneficial. And then you're just doing stripes all the way down your neck, leading to the collarbone or the clavicle. And I would be doing the same thing on this side, but for time's sake, I'm just going to do one side. Then underneath the chin bone, you're going to start at the chin and work your way out, leading to the base of the ear. So same idea, starting in the center and working out towards the ear. This is good for exfoliating the skin. And then when you get to the ear, you can do another pass right over the ear and down. And everything with lymphatic drainage is divided into quadrants. So our body is divided down the center. And everything, the face actually forms like a peace sign. Everything from the inner portion of your eye down drains this way. Everything from outside that cone drains out to the ear. So I'm going to start here and do gentle strokes coming down to where I just drained. And you can kind of trace where that lymph is headed to. And coming up to the side of the mouth, you can follow your smile line. And we're going to still start at the center and work kind of up and around towards that direction. And now down the nose and following that same line. This is good for exfoliating the skin. I do it right after I've washed and dried, but before moisturizer. But I'm sure if you put a light amount of moisturizer, that would be fine. It's good to help your sinuses drain. And the brush I'm using is pretty soft, so it's not scratching my face and causing irritation. All right, so now we're going to do the outer portion of the cone, and you want to start right here where these lymph nodes are, just to kind of prime them. And then we're following that line on the outer cone, coming right down gently to the jawline. It's okay if some of the lines overlap where we're inside the line and outside the line. It's all going to the same general direction. And then you move over like a little bit more lateral stripe. And it never hurts to kind of retrace your steps down to where all that lymph is headed. And now I'm going to very gently do right over my eyelid. If you notice any area on your face is in particularly puffy, you can very gently kind of spend a little extra time to help move that lymph along. And now, since the body is still divided in half, I'm starting at the eyebrow and work my way out. The amount of pressure I'm using is enough to, as you can see, kind of dent the brush into my face, but it's not anything that's uncomfortable. It's pretty gentle. And again, I'm doing less number of passes than I'd recommend. Usually they say 7 to 10 on each stripe that we're doing, just for time's sake, because the video is already like 7 minutes long, and I would have also done the same exact routine to the other side of my face, kind of mirroring. Once I did this side, I do this side. Once I did this side, I back and forth. Okay, I hope that helps. I wanted to make lymphatic drainage more accessible to people because it can really help with sinuses, TMJ tension, and it helps to keep your skin clearer, it helps with exfoliating, and it helps boost your immune system, and it helps with health. So everyone, happy Friday.